Okay, when you open up the Onshape file called cam test box, you should see something that looks like this. It is view only, so you're going to need to make a copy. Go ahead and click make a copy and just leave it as copy if you'd like. Say okay. This is your cam test box. Now, rather than bringing things into this box, like cams that you've made into this box and then testing it, let's bring the box into your Automata document. So go ahead and open that up. Um, and then, so now I'm in the Automata document. You should be in yours now. And let's just insert, go over, make sure you're in the assembly. So click on the assembly down here. Shouldn't be anything in it. And insert and grab, instead of from the current document, go to other documents. So click on that. And maybe just my Onshape, or there it is, cam test box, copy. Click on that guy. But be careful now, you're not going to import all these parts. You want to import that entire assembly. And there it is, cam box, right there. Click on that, and there it is. And just place it and say, okay. Make sure it's the assembly, not the parts. And say, way to go. See if it works. Oh, the whole thing's moving. So just grab like the base, right click on it, and fix. So that base is now locked in position. So if I try to move this, it spins around. That works. At this point, you should find where the animate feature is. So here in the cam box that we brought in, if you click on this little arrow, cruise all the way down to the bottom. There's all the parts in this assembly. And then there's 11 mate features in this box. And if you hover over them, you'll see where they're mated. And this one here, the crank revolute, if you right click on that and animate, that's where you're going to go every time you want to test. And I like to loop it instead of reciprocate. Hit play. Anytime you want to test your cams in here, once you bring them in, animate this and see if they work. Okay? So now you're all set up, ready to test your cams.